Piranhas, ruthless killers or misunderstood creatures. Myth: piranhas can devour a cow in minutes. Truth: this is highly exaggerated. Fact: piranhas mostly eat fish, insects, and occasionally small mammals. Another myth: piranhas attack humans unprovoked. Reality: attacks are rare and usually defensive. Piranhas communicate with each other using barks. Yes, they bark underwater. Myth: all piranhas are man-eaters. In truth, many species are timid and prefer to flee. In the end, piranhas are fascinating creatures worthy of respect, not fear.